I can use it like this. Okay, so when you click on user, so this is the C link in the LWC router. Okay, you can check it here in the header HTML. I am using a C link. Okay, users about. So this C link is can work in the C router text. Okay, so be careful, use it. Okay, so if you don't use a C router, it will not work. Okay, so please check it and be carefully use it. Okay, so one more thing, you can directly hit your tag uh, about. So directly I go to my about page and user, so there is no user. So 404 page, so I think users. Oh yeah, it's a users page. About page, you can check it here. It is changing your route. So you don't need to use Visual Force page for make your application. You can use a single page application like this. It's a single page application. I'm using a single LWC component as my boot my app. Okay, so boot my app is here, is working. It is my header. So this is my home. Okay, I'm using here C link under the C router. So this is my LWC component hello world. I am using this under the C router. Okay, by the configurations like route configurations under the C router like configurations, here I am using this. So I am using the hello world component as my page on my home route. Okay, so what I am doing here in the hello world component, so go to my hello world component. So nothing, I am just using a hello greeting variable here. So I am using a one input. So how it is working, for a JS, I am using a change handler function which I calling from a HTML on change. Okay, so you can check it. So I am using it here. So you can use your LWC component like a page. Okay, so you can make your LWC component. It is very easy, just a very nice thing for your application. So you don't need to put a lots of check, if true, if false. So like this kind of check you can avoid and make your application more reliable, more faster. Okay, like you can check it here. I can easily switch my component. Okay, if you go through with the VF page, it will take time. So you can check it here. So it's a very more reliable application for Salesforce. Okay, thank you so much.